What's up, netizens? I'm Jeffrey from the LA Lower Antipolo, and I'm back for the day 2 of our vlog task for a cause. And another dish na naman ang ating lulutuin with my papa. So I hope you enjoyed the first video that I posted. So netizens ay nilagay na yung baka and sabaw, then nilagay na yung pechay, tinimplahan at pinakuluan na ulit dito. Look guys, napakasarap tignan, pwedeng siyang kainin tuwing maulan. Masarap talaga ang nilagang baka or bulalo. So guys, this is the final output. This is the piniping bulalo, then nilagyan ng pechay, then tinimplahan. This is the sauce, and sama na natin ng rice. So guys, let's eat.